In this video, I'll tell you how you can exit big picture mode on Steam and go back to the normal Steam app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. This is not hard, but if you never used this mode before, it can be a bit confusing because the layout looks totally different. Look at the bottom left corner and click Menu. After that, choose Power. In this section, you should see an option called Exit Big Picture Mode. Click it, and Steam will leave big picture mode and return to the regular desktop version like before. That's pretty much all you need to do. It is a simple fix, but it is good to know because big picture mode can feel annoying if you turn it on by mistake and don't know where the exit button is. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.